Welcome to Linux Help. In this session, we are going to see how to install Anaconda on Debian 12. Anaconda is an open source package manager, environment manager, and a distribution of Python and R programming languages that are designed for data science and machine learning workflows. It has been used for large scale data processing, scientific computing, and predictive analytics. Check the OS version by using following command. Change to the tmp directory by using following command. Download the Anaconda script file by using following command. Install Anaconda by bash script file by using following command. Press enter to continue installation by using following command. Give yes to accept the license agreement. Press enter to confirm the installation location for Anaconda. Give yes to initialize the installed application. Complete the installation by using following command. Test the installation by running the following command. Create an environment named mynv by using following command. Activate the new environment by using following command. Once the environment is activated, verify that you are using the version of Python. The Anaconda installation process has been completed.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.